Hello everyone. Now we will solve one more problem using graphical method. The given problem is in the form of maximization of z is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2 subject to the constraints. The first constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. Second constraint is having greater than or equal to symbol. Third constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. All the decision variables greater than or equal to 0. Now using the first constraint, if you take the first constraint in the equation form, minus 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 6. By taking x1 is equal to 0, you will get x2 is equal to 3. By assuming if you take x2 is equal to 0, you will get x1 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, using the first constraint, we have got the points as 0, 3, minus 2, 0. In the same way, using the second constraint, in the equation form 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. Now by taking x1 is equal to 0, you will get x2 is equal to 6. By taking x2 is equal to 0, you will get x1 is equal to 2. So that you will get the points using the second constraints. We have got the points as 0, 6, 2, 0. Now third constraint. Using the third constraint, x1 plus x2 is equal to 8. Now by taking x1 is equal to 0, you will get x2 is equal to 8. By taking x2 is equal to 0, you will get x1 is equal to 8. By using the third constant, we have got the points as 0, 8, 0, 8 and 8, 8, 0. Like this, we have got all the 3 points using the 3 constraints. Now we will draw. Now if you observe all the points are between minus 2 and 8 only. That's why we will draw the graph in this form. Now the graph is in this form. Now the point I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here minus 1, this is origin, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is x-axis, y-axis. Now the first points are 0, 3 and minus 2, 0. 0, 3. 0, 3 is here. This is 0, 3. 0, 3 and minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0. Join the 2 points with the help of the scale. Now this is the first constraint. First constraint is having which type of symbol? The first constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. The shaded region will have the origin, contains the origin. The shaded region contains the origin. I'll draw horizontal lines. Now the second points are 0, 6 and 2, 0. 0, 6. 0, 6 here. 0, 6. Another one is 2, 0. 2, 0. Join the 2 points. This is the second line. Now this is having which type of symbol? Second constraint is having greater than or equal to symbol. Therefore the shaded region is not containing the origin. That means the shaded region does not contain any origin. Therefore we have to draw the lines above the line in the sense in this way. Now therefore I'll draw vertical lines. Vertical lines. Now after that the third points are 0, 8, 8, 0. 0, 8 here, 8, 0 here. Now join the 2 points. This is the third one. Third constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. Therefore, the shaded region below the line. Below the line. Now this is the below the line. Below the line means another type of lines I will draw. Slanting lines. Slanting lines I will draw. Below the line. Slanting. Now wherever you have got the netted region, that is our feasible region. Netted. I will draw the netted region with double shade. Now we'll draw the names. This is A, this is B, C and D. This is the netted region. The polygon A, B, C, D. Now A is the point 2, 0. B is the point 8, 0. Do you know the C value? We don't know the C value. We have to put empty brackets. And do you know D? We don't know D also. We have to draw empty brackets. Now our polygon is this is our feasible region. Now this is our feasible region. The feasible region is having the vertices A, B, C, D. This is our polygon. In this one A we know A 2, 0. We know B 8, 0. We don't know the C value as well as we don't know the D value. We need to calculate C value and D value. Now if you observe the diagram very much carefully, C is the intersection of, we'll write C, capital C is the intersection of which two lines? Observe the graph carefully. First line as well as C is the intersection of third line. This is the third line. first and third lines. C is the intersection of first and third line. First line is, what is our first line? Minus 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 6. 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. First, third. By solving the two equations, we will get, by solving the two equations, we will get C value as C is equal to 2, 6, and D is the intersection of observe the diagram. D is the intersection of second line as well as first line. D is the intersection of first line as well as second line. First and second lines. D is the intersection of first and second lines. What is our first and second lines? Minus 3x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 6 is equal to 6. And 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. This is the first one, this is the second one. By solving we get D is equal to 2 by 3, 4. Now by solving these two lines, we will get D is equal to. Now what we have to do? We have to write the objective function. What is our objective function? Max z is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2. Now our diagram is, our polygon is A, B, C, D. Therefore ZA is equal to ZA. A is equal to, A point is Z at 2, 0. That means 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. That is equal to 6. ZB. Z at, what is our B point? Our B point is 8, 0. 8, 0. 3 into 8 plus 4 into 0. That is equal to 24. ZC. What is our C? C point is, what is our C? C point we have got 2, 6. How much will get? 3 2s are 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. ZD. Z of D. D value is at 2 by 3, 4. 2 by 3, 4. 3 into 2 by 3 plus 4 into 4. How much will get? That is equal to 18. Now out of all these values, out of 4, 24, 30, 18, the maximum value is 30. Therefore max Z is equal to 30 at x is equal to, at x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 6. This is the problem. Thank you.